Hey, it worked. How y'all doing on this cold pre-Thanksgiving Day ride? Uh, you look a little dirty. Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel. Run that intro. Here we go. Oh, me. Get my jacket slipped up here. Get my sun visor. I feel misty. It's misting. Well, I'll be doggone. It ain't supposed to rain, but it's misty. Misty. I feel like it. Maybe it's falling off the trees. We'll go with that. It's 50 degrees and cloudy. Pre-Thanksgiving Day ride. Welcome back to Blue Bike Doors channel. So, we are going to go check out a new winery. You know, the wife, the wino. Have a harper, wino, paint the house, no. Me. So it's, if you watched last, yeah. Y'all watched last week. I got the 500 miles in, so I can let her eat now to the 1,000, and we'll get it tuned up real good. So, if you watched last week's, was it last week, 2 weeks ago? I don't know when it aired, but you watched that video, or is it that one? It's that one, and I don't know. Fall ride with the Southern Cruisers. We rode down to Lineville, and we went through Wedowee. And I said, hey, that's a new winery. We're going to have to check it out. So, we checking it out. Ooh, stuff on the road. It rained all day yesterday. Usually that's the way it goes. It's raining and cloudy when she's off. But I've been off all week because of Thanksgiving Day holiday. Didn't have much or slow. And I said, well, I'll just, instead of going somewhere where I don't want to go, I just stayed home and digged around in the shed. Yeah, buddy. Got another project I want to try to do. I'm still working out how I'm going to do it in my head. I want to make another tool rack deal. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. And I can tell you, it's 55 miles down there the way this thing's going. It's probably telling us a long way around. But I'm gonna go down through 49 county right in back roads, county roads, and it's supposed to warm up over there at about 52 degrees, so that's like a heat wave. Oh, that sun don't come out. Anyway, I don't have much else to say right now. Hope y'all had a Thanksgiving. Hope you get what you want for Christmas. Yeah, the Treat Mountain is a closed road, and it wants to take a round, go back down to 100, and all like that. So it's like 50 miles down here. I could go through Bowden and all like that. I figured, we ain't rode County Road 49 in a while, so let's do that. And we'll get down there. I think it was called Amber's something. There's a cafe down there we're gonna try to have lunch. Yeah. Update, if you watched that video there, highway pegs, check now. Feel good. As good as I'm gonna get it. So sit back and enjoy the country roads. Take me to Wedowee for you. For your normal folks. They've been out deer hunting in their golf cart. Probably not. It'd be wearing camouflage any time of year now. says, welcome to Wedowee, or we call it Wedowee. Wedowee. Hey, Popo. The Wedowee Police Department. 50. 431, 4-lane, 4-way stop. Well, it ain't a 4-way stop, is it? Tractor show. Woo woo. I can't see that. Find a place to park all the way down here. Might not be a good idea. So we here at the big town of Wedowee. And what we got to go to is over on the corner down there. It says Lake Wedowee Winery and Brewery. Boo hoo hoo hoo. A lot of people in town for candle shop. I think that cafe I want to eat at is down that way somewhere, I think. You know, people in the South, you know, they have more respect, but these people won't even stop and let us out. In a hurry. Just in a hurry. So I didn't get no pictures inside or nothing. I mean, they know they got a 4-way stop right down there, but they ain't gonna give a break, are they? Nope. Well, they found. Well, he stopped. Come on, you can't get out. Heck. Alright, well, we got turned around. Just gonna run us over the road, ain't you, Sheriff? In a hurry. Seen that line at the end, didn't they? That's okay, you got a badge and a gun, don't you? And drive like an idiot. Uh-oh, we got something from somebody. Message for somebody. I'll figure that out later. Another one. Long Ride Shield. That's who that's from. Everybody was in Black Friday Day sale. So, we gonna head on back to home and probably eat some leftover Yardbirds I cooked last week, yesterday, day before yesterday. Is that a restaurant? What is that? Bobbers. They look like they was open. So we gonna make an illegal U-turn. Not really. We just made a U-turn. But we turned into a dry road and then turned back out. But this, I don't know if this is a restaurant or just a fishing shack. We're here to find out. It says Bobbers. Oh, I guess I could have turned there. Bar and grill? Are they open? All these cars lined up here. This is Lynn Place Subdivision. Jessica Drive. Look like people's going in there. I'll take that as yes, we are open. Yeah, I don't believe. It says, oh, it's 49.1 degrees. It ain't got no warmer. No sirree, Bob. Damn it. Would help if I thought I had it neutral. Alright. So let's get out of here. That food was pretty good, but man, we had the special taco soups. We tried it. Damn. How about a Warner's? I mean, it had it so spicy you couldn't enjoy the flavor. It was so dang hot. I don't like when people make it as hot as they can make it. I guess this is all, I don't know, all one place to eat. Me. Whatever for. Well, shoot. See, I don't want to pull out in front of these people just to go right up there at that next light and turn. So I wait. See, I know courtesy. Most people would have pulled out, even though they're going to go right up here and turn left. Hidden drive. We'll see if we can find it. There it is. So we're going to try to get back home before we freeze to death. John, I think the lowers does okay. I thought my legs would be warmer. My knees still in the breeze though. Alright, so I don't know. I ain't never been this way. But it's the way I thought it said it'd go on Google Maps on my pocket computer. What is that? That's auto collision. Adam's auto collision. Am I supposed to turn anywhere? I don't know. Unless they did. Anyway, we're gonna head to the house. I appreciate y'all coming along on our little winery expedition. We got 4 bottles of wine, or she got 4, like a blackberry. They got funny names and all, but yeah, they was real good. Check out that video right there. That one right there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and we're gonna head to the house. Catch you later.